You're a jammy fucking you, Stan.
Yeah, could be.
You are a jammy fucking you. Go on, lad. Get the ace. Get the ace.